So we're currently just trying to book in a locker. It costs 30,000 rupiah or $3 Australian. So how it works is you pay for it with your little wristband, and then when you want to lock and unlock the locker, you just scan the tag and the wristband here, and that'll let you in and let you lock it.
Can we do a locker, please?
Anything else? Sorry, 64. What's the name, please?
Matt.
Your money 75,000 left, and please find number 215. Scan in the middle to open and lock.
So how currency and paying for everything in the park works is basically you get given a wristband, this blue one, when you come in on entry to the park. So it costs 10,000 rupiah or $1 Australian to actually, like, as a deposit to get it. And then you can just top up as much as you want. They don't accept any cash or FPOS here in the park. You have to only pay with this. So all you do is scan it on there and they take the balance off. At the end of the park, any remaining balance that you still have it, they just give back to you in cash. So if you put only a little bit on and you find you want to take more, you want to use more cash, you can just top up. There's these stations here and just in the front entrance of the park. And then you also get the same for a locker as well. So for a locker, it's $6.50 Australian or 65,000 rupiah, and 30,000 of that is a deposit. So you get the 30,000 back when you give this back as well. So it's 1:45 at the moment. We've been on almost every ride. There's a few that we still need to go and check out now. So when you come to this park, be prepared to easily stay here the entire day. It is so much fun and you never get tired of the ride. If you do get tired of the rides eventually, they have an amazing pool that you can lounge in, all of these lounge chairs, and then they also have a full bar as well. So you can even sit at the pool, enjoy a smoothie, enjoy a bintang. It's just paradise. Also guys, just one quick tip. When you're going on the rides, make sure that your pants don't have any metal in them at all. Otherwise they don't let you on the rides because they can catch on the sides of the slides. So what they actually make you do is you can turn your pants inside out and then go on the rides. But it's a lot easier if you just wear some shorts that don't have any metal in them.
Yeah, for all the girls, all the bikinis have little metal bits at the back. Most of the rides are okay with that. There is the climax, which is when you go like straight down the floor. All he did is got one of these bands, wrapped it around, and it was fine to go on. But it might pay to just wear one of the like straight across ones that don't have a clip. Also, putting your towels on a sun bed definitely works. We haven't really been in our beds all day. Came back, some people were sitting on them, but they were happy to move once we got here. The rides are absolutely insane. We were unable to take you guys on most of them, so we try to get as good a shot as we can of them. But it's definitely worth coming. There are so many rides. The other videos on YouTube don't really show how amazing it is. Hopefully this one gives you a little bit of a better idea.
The entrance fee for each of us to come in was 450,000 rupiah.
We
which
got
is
an online price, which is cheaper than what you get at the doors, which is 550,000. So it's worth checking online. You'll find something that's going to be a little bit cheaper than the entrance fee.
If you like these kind of videos, guys, make sure that you smack that subscribe button in the face. Smack that button right now for me. Go
Right
ahead,
now.
click it. Click it. We're just going to spend the rest of the day enjoying this beautiful park and all of its rides.
It's like an airport. They have that
Good
announcement
afternoon,
system.
ladies and gentlemen. Special attention to Emma.
I'm vlogging here.
Emma is waiting for
I'm
you.
vlogging.
Emma. They also give you a wristband and they will take photos at the end of each ride. So if you don't have a GoPro or anything and you want to have some memories that you can collect at the end, it's worth checking them out. I'm not sure how much.
I'm vlogging. That's how big this place is. They have an airport tone that they play on all the speakers here. Italian.
Can you please go and get your pizza?
Her pizza's ready at the Italian restaurant.
Anyway, you get this wristband, looks like the other ones. They scan it at the end of the ride if they took a photo of you. It's worth checking it out. We'll let you guys know how much they cost at the end.
Alright guys, that is the vlog. Link to all the camera gear that we use is down below in the description as well.
Also Airbnb, if you don't have an account, make one, use it. You get 50 New Zealand dollars off. It is absolutely worth it.
Other than that, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
So Kim, why are we here at First Aid?
I tripped and cut my toe on the sunbed.
Where's the sitting for?
This is the first aid room.
All patched up. So you get a waterproof plaster so you can still go back on the rides?
Yeah, gotta keep going.